Hello everyone, we are here sa Pizza Shack along Kumaykay Road rigid siya. Daplin rigid siya sa dalan, makita na ninyo ang Pizza Shack. Let's go! Mao ni lang menu, you can pause if you like to see. They are famous sa ilahang pugon or brick oven. One, two, three. See? Tindog na. This is what we got sa Pizza Shack. It's margarita pizza. Our dinner for tonight, guys, steak. Let's cook some steak. Since nakato ng atong steak, next step is atong ipat dry. Of course, with tissue. Next, let's put some salt and pepper. Rub your steak. Next, let's sprinkle some pepper. And then rub. Of course, let's do the other side. Next, atong ipahit atong pan. Init na atong pan. Let's put some oil. A little bit of oil. Let's put our steak. And for well done, kay 4 minutes each side. Ang ako is ganahan ko nga medium rare. So 2 minutes ra ako. Look at our steak. Ooh. Ako na lang ibutang daan ng garlic, guys. Para maluto jud kay siya. Next, ipamelt na to ang butter. Lagan na kay mong butter, but that's okay. Next, atong ibalik ang atong steak. Very nice. Mag-time na po tayo og another 1 minute. 1 minute each side. Unfortunately, wala available na rosemary. So, garlic lang sa taron. Next, atong ipa-rest for 5 minutes before na to i-cut. See you! This is our dinner for tonight.